Welcome back to our creative corner. Today I'm taking you into a world where ordinary fabric become extraordinary jewelry. Yes, leftover old clothes, teeny leftover pieces all transform into elegant earrings, classy pendant and modern accessories that look straight out of boutique and very trending. And the best part, they cost almost nothing. Stay with me till the end because a heartwarming story inspired this entire collection and it might inspire your next creation. To start you only need leftover fabric, stripper or glue, scissor, beads, jump ring, adding hook, and a little imagination. This trend exploring on YouTube, Pinterest, and Instagram. Fabric jewelry is soft, stylish, eco-friendly, and ideal for gifting or selling. And most important, it's very trending. Let's begin with our first stunning piece, petal style earrings. Cut the fabric into a small leaf, layer them together like dark painted plain, whatever your mood says today. Add a teeny beads at the top of, skewer it with wire. Suddenly you have earring that look like handcrafted flower petals dancing in the wind. The design is shining because it is lightweight and elegant. So our next is we create braided fabric necklace, the kind that turns head instantly. Cut along strips, braid them tightly, and add metallic ends. The necklace look modern, sophisticated, and unbelievably stylish. A perfect statement piece of winter sweater, festive earrings. For the bracelet, simply wrap fabric around small cotton balls to form beads. The knot between each bead are finished with a clasp. The design is timeless, comfortable, cute, and customized to match any outfit. It's a fan favorite on YouTube because it's a budget friendly and quick and most important eco-friendly. Now something bold, fabric art ring twist strip like a teeny, glue it on a ring base and decorate with greenstone, trendy chic and perfect for beginner and absolutely unique. Hoop earring now go out of style. Wrap your favorite fabric neatly around a hoop. Add a dangling pendant if you have a little drama and you have created a next level fashion. These are selling like crazy in craft market. Seal edges add a varnish if needed and always store your jewelry on soft card. If you plan to sell these, use small handbags and tags. Personalized touch. The more unique your fabric choice, the more premium your piece look. This entire collection is inspired by a simple story. A girl named Ara Love. Teeny entire collection. Her first pair of earrings sold for the price of full meal. Slowly, her creativity turned into confidence and her confidence turned into a small business. Today, Era says fabric jewelry did not just decorate me, it revealed me, and that's the magic of handmade things. Sometimes they don't just create beauty, they create hope. If this video inspired you and you like, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing updates and videos. If you love craft, so you are in right place. My channel is full of crafting, DIY projects, step-by-step tutorial, especially for my creators, my creator lovers. So must share the video with your friends and family and post your valuable comments, your suggestions. And I really love your support, your kind comments. Thanks for supporting.